Welcome to the auction live right now for this 2017 Mercedes G550 4x4 squared. This thing is absolutely insane. One of the biggest vehicles we've had here in our showroom, and it is live for auction right now. So in this video, you're gonna see a cold start as well as a driving video and a full walk around showing you all the little imperfections and everything working on the inside. And after you've watched that, click the link in the video description below to head over to the live auction where you can bid and buy this G squared. This is a cold start video of our 2017 G550 4x4 squared. You can see this exhaust is nice and cold. It's been sat in the showroom overnight. An Acropovic exhaust, and it sounds real good at idle and under load. And we're gonna take this thing on a drive, and you can see it running and driving. Just gonna put on my seatbelt. All right, put it in gear, and off we go. One of the noticeable cool things inside is this custom steering wheel with LEDs. And it's got a built-in speed and a few different modes. Looks like it's got engine temp, RPM. I don't know if you can even see that on camera, but it does look pretty cool in person. So this is a 2017 G550 factory 4x4 squared. So this is the lifted version of the G-WAGON. And you can see we have flipped the cluster over to miles, and it reads 35,591 miles. And there is a digital readout on the speed as well. I can try to flip that on right there. So I believe for US import, you may not need to buy a cluster. You have to double check with a broker, but as far as I can see, because there's a mile per hour reading, I would assume you don't. A little tour of the inside. We will give you a full walkthrough video separately in the listing, showing you everything inside. This is mainly a driving video. Also, it's got these cool carbon paddle shifters and lots of other nice modifications on this G-WAGON. It's got an Acropovic exhaust, some Brabus parts like the hood, and up here the carbon surround on the light bar, and a few other little things which we'll detail in the auction listing. Definitely get a lot of looks in this thing, that's for sure. People look, people stare. This is a cool G-WAGON. And we're just exiting on the highway so we can get it up to speed, and you can see on the highway this thing running and driving and shifting through all the gears. exhaust sounds great. So you can see 60 miles per hour, no issues. Just have a car in front of me, or I'd be going a little bit faster, but 70 miles per hour. Drive straight on the highway, no vibration. Steering wheel feels really good, drives super straight. It runs and drives quite nice, actually. So we're excited to offer this G550 4x4 squared up for auction. It's priced to sell. It's pretty crazy during the COVID boom, what these were selling for. I think the owner in Canada paid over $300,000 for this thing. And it's here to sell for considerably less than that. So if you're looking for a G550 4x4 squared in Canada, this will be the best price one by far. So encourage you to get your bids in. If you have any questions, leave them in the auction below. I'm extremely responsive seller. Happy to give you any more videos, photos, whatever you need to make an informed bid, an informed decision. We're happy to help with all aspects of the transaction, like transportation and any post-sale services you may need. Definitely happy to help you out. Give me one more pull here. That exhaust sure does sound good. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the auction below and I will get back to you very quickly. And good luck bidding on your new G550 4x4 squared. I'm going to be doing a comprehensive walk around showing you any little imperfections in this, as well as everything working in the vehicle. This particular truck is actually a factory Dezino Magna matte black paint, but it has stealth PPF on top. So this is essentially how it would look if you remove the PPF, but the entirety of the truck is covered. It shows extremely well, but I'm going to be showing you just a few little things like bubbling in a couple of the 3M, just a few little normal chips in the front. Again, it's all in the PPF. A little bit of bubbling here. There was a front plate mounted, and that's just some bubbling. A couple small chips in the bottom grill there. The carbon fenders, same thing. A couple small little marks in the PPF, but overall super nice. Hood is nice. No damage in that. Front passenger rim, nice shape. Tires are like brand new. There's a ton of tread in them. Windshield does have a few chips in it, most notably over there. And there's some photos of that in the video gallery. Doors are nice. Glass is nice. Some bubbling in the 3M on the running board. Again, a few little chips in the PPF on these fenders that stick out so much. Passenger side rear rim, excellent condition. Same thing, tires like brand new. Coming around the back, same thing, no damage. Some bubbling in the PPF. A little bit of oxidization on this that we can clean up easy enough. We'll take it off and clean it up. Coming along the driver's side, same thing, body is super nice. The worst of the damage is in the PPF on these fenders. Driver's side rear rim, nice shape. No damage. Tires, again, like brand new. Ton of tread. Driver's side doors, again, no damage. Very nice shape. Mirrors both in nice shape. A couple chips in the PPF around the windshield. And a couple chips in the PPF here on the hood. Driver's side front rim, nice shape, no damage. Tires like new, tons of tread. These are of course 24-inch 4G Auto wheels on 37-inch Toyo open countries. Nice tires, really nice. So that should give you a good walk around of the exterior. I'll show you the roof quickly as well as the power running boards. So when you unlock the truck, they fold down just like that. These are authentic Brabus running boards. Make it super easy to get into this thing. There's the roof, no damage, and it's fully PPF'd as well. We'll get inside this thing. That's the chip, the most notable chip on the windshield. There's another one here. Inside's super clean, super nice, non-smoker, no weird odors or anything inside. And we'll go ahead and start this thing up. This is the sunroof opening and closing. Got the passenger side window up and down, as well as the rear window up and down. Driver's side window up and down, and the rear window up and down. Let's turn on the radio. Radio works good. Got navigation, backup camera, fan. Just turn it up. I should be able to hear the fan speed come up. And it does blow nice and hot and nice and cold. Turn that back down. This is a really cool selling feature, I think, of this truck, is this custom new generation steering wheel, carbon fiber and Alcantara, as well as the carbon fiber shift paddles. And it's got a bunch of different modes, which are controlled with a button here. But you can see, I'll just give it a little rev here. That fills up the RPM as well as that, and it's got the shift lights. And you can switch through the modes. They're just different views of essentially the RPM. That's engine temp. I think we all agree that this one is the coolest one, the nicest one. Power seats. They work. Hopefully you can see that moving in backward and forward. Mirrors. And folding in. Oh, and I'm just going to open that sunroof actually. And I'll do all the signals as well as the lights. So we've got the left signal on, left signal on, do the right signal, got the right signal on, all the lights working around the truck, right signal on. You can obviously see all the lights working correctly. And I will show you the passenger side running board as well. So this is activated by opening the door, and it comes right down, making it super easy to step up and into the truck. So that is a full walk around video of this G550 4x4 squared. This thing is in really nice shape. It's got some really tasteful modifications, as you can see in the list in the auction. Highly encourage you to bid and buy this thing. You will love it. This thing is super unique. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the auction down below and I will get back to you right away. More photos, more videos, whatever you need. Very responsive seller. Look forward to handing you the keys to this G-Wagon. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.